here we are. I am with Play Doh, and I am playing. This is the video, so like you like it. And I have dogs around here, but this is a food bowl. I put water in it, but I'm having a hard time putting water in it. And the pink stuff is totally food. Couple Crunch. That's what we call for our dog. Couple Crunch. Her food is actually Couple Crunch. So the blue is water, but there's Barbie camper up here since we have the two Barbie dogs. Get out of and the basket. This is sorry. Blue. Okay, so now this chair. Let's get this chair ready. So if you want to see any review about the bed chair right there, I'm going to put some blue on the bottom and some orange on the back. Right. So we are going to make it nice and comfy for Anna here. Nice and comfy for her. We have some pink too, but I want to mold this pink. Wow, doesn't even look like good pink. So we're gonna mix it all together. I don't know how to do that, but anyway. In this interview, I'm changing colors and mixing colors and doing colors all over the place. But what I can do is, okay, I have a brush around here. We're gonna use at the end. Mold some lines. It don't take long to do this, but I have an interview. I'll show you something. All that happens. There you go. And yeah, you look at it. Yeah. We're gonna use some pink as the little legs. How? Dada.
Oh no, did you hurt yourself?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, sweetie, wrap up the video.
I am done.